a unique and exclusive place in the tissue industry. A place where you can make your dream product come true. A place where ideas grow. TissueHub. Explore, test, get the best.
We have always taken special care of the end product. This has made us feel the need to establish such a place. Welcome to TissueHub. My name is Carlo Berti, Chief Business Officer of Gambini. Let me show you the right place to imagine the future of tissue, the right place to develop your next tissue product. TissueHub is open to any company which needs a safe space to think and find out more on Gambini new technologies, or to test a new product to launch into the market in total confidentiality. If a company decides to take advantage of a TissueHub, it will have a complete access to the technology, the staff, the laboratory, and the data studies. It will be able to work safely in extreme confidentiality, securing an advantage over competitors. Come with me now. Let me show you the truly unique technology of TissueHub. Let's go! A pilot line equipped with the most advanced technology by Gambini. A pilot line which is full width, specifically 2850mm. That means that you can do realistic tests, that you can have a clear and reliable idea of the characteristic of the real end products.
TissueHub was born as a place for us, as our own R&D department. Gambini's business philosophy has always been focused on the finished product. We design our technology first and foremost starting from the needs of the consumers. Thus, TissueHub was born, to test our own machines. At TissueHub, you can design and test new tissue product, develop embossing patterns, test and validate Gambini's new technologies, make roll for test samples, and train operators.
In fact, the pilot features two of our most innovative components, the easy-to-use 3-roll G1 rewinder and the air mill wet embosser. Let's start. Vai, Emanuele! This is when we realized the extreme power of this place. TissueHub is like a forge of creation, an atelier, a real workshop where to experiment together, while sharing our best machine with our clients. So, we made the pilot line available to any company that wants to test our technology and measure the results they get. Now, our most groundbreaking technology, air mill.
Air mill has been designed around a patented process that first moistens and then heats the paper, allowing results never achieved before. Over the years, Gambini has invested heavily in the improvement of this system, believing in the huge potential of the wet embossing technology. A new era has begun.
Introducing Lucca into the conventional converting system is a measure but necessary challenge. Not just it. Only wet can give the paper what it needs to get a certain specification. Air mill is a single unit to be added to existing lines, even manufactured by others, with the goal of improving the quality of the production and optimizing the final output. It features 3 different and combinable uses that let the production evolve, showing new and more cost-effective ways to get a result, increase volume, preserve strength, get a textured look. Air mill can be used to get a larger diameter roll, while using the same amount of paper. More volume for the plies, thus more absorbency for the paper. It looks like a magic, doesn't it? What if you don't need the bigger rolls? Paper is less degraded by air mill wet and hot system. This means that the finished rolls can have the very same final strength, even starting from less strong base paper. Thus, paper makers can save expensive fibers and get the same result at a lower cost. There is one more usage for air mill, getting a textured look and feel. The power of wet makes the paper more malleable, allowing better work during the embossing phase. That is why air mill can be used to have a paper comparable to TAD, in terms of appearance and feeling. We call it CTAD, comparable TAD, and it will offer you the opportunity to cross borders and penetrate new markets. In R&D department, TissueHub is constantly evolving. Recently renovated, it now provides new office equipped with a meeting room, a totally renovated warehouse, a fully equipped laboratory, and a conference room where training and refresh sessions for customers and operators can be scheduled.
TissueHub is an exclusive universe, a place no one has ever thought of before, where Gambini technologies and customer aspirations come together in a unique synergy, ready to revolutionise the future of tissue. TissueHub, where tissue happens.